So today in this lecture we are going to test the Pooja app which we made in App Lab on code.org platform. And let's check out how can we use that app in doing Diwali Puja. Okay, so I'm going to show you the preparations first, what we guys have prepared for today's puja, and after that I'll tell you how can we make use of Pooja app that we developed in App Lab on code.org platform. Let's begin with checking out the preparation first, and after that we'll check out the testing part. So this is our mandir which we have prepared like this, and here we will be doing the Diwali Pujan. So we are done with all the preparation and we will be starting very soon. So we are lightening up the diyas. Jai Lakshmi. Right now, we guys are using this Pooja app that we developed in App Lab on code.org platform for doing our Diwali Puja. Hope you guys will like it.